Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Ford Edge ST line. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, your backup camera, roof spoiler, nice blacked out accents, all along this vehicle with keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection. We got a remote start on this vehicle with a black hood deflector, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with the powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. We do get cargo cubby holes on either side. You got lights. You can collapse your last row from here, 12-volt hooks and doodads, and you do get your normal storage underneath with a spare tire. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see a 2.5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth, black leather interior, red ST line stitching, plenty of door space in the back with the leathering on the door, floor mats, carpet interior. We have rear vents, storage, USB and USB-C, 110 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather and cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 39,957 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your right-hand screen. We have our playback play forward with phone, voice, mute, volume, cruise control, toggle for your left-hand screen, which you can go through, display, trip and fuel economy, driving assist, and other settings. And on my right, you got your entertainment and phone. To my right here, we do get our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, storage, cup holders, nice little phone slot, more storage here with a wireless charging pad, outlets, your center console with tons of more storage, and you can lift this out of place for more underneath. We do get our nice backup camera here. You'll your climate controls at the bottom with dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, storage below. On the dash, garage door transmitter, a nice place to set up your phone. Audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. There's all those Sirius XM channels, not trannels. And look in here, you got all your apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, anything you downloaded will also show up here. Entertainment, so you do get some little games you can play while waiting for people. I'm going to exit out of that. Vehicle settings, you can add a phone, vehicle, general, connectivity, software, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB38426A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.